Before we begin, let us take a moment to honor the wisdom keepers of this land, of this earth, the Indigenous people from all over the world who have lived in deep harmony with nature for generations. Their understanding of the earth, the animals, and the connections and cycles of life is not something of the past. It is a living, breathing knowledge that we must listen to and learn from. The animal lessons are inspired by the teachings of nature, but let us always remember that these lessons have been carried in the hearts and traditions of indigenous cultures long before we spoke of them here. Looking at natural patterns like tree branches, waves, clouds, or spiderwebs helps the brain enter a state called soft fascination, which reduces mental fatigue and supports mood regulation. I wanted to give you some simple facts about emotional regulation and nature time. Spending time observing nature, being in nature, even just for 10 minutes, lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping the body calm down naturally. Have you ever walked barefoot through a grassy field or sand or the earth and felt instantly better? Try it out.